Hi everyone, my name is Megan and I will be going over the negative effects of job interviews involving ethics. So in this portion of our presentation, I'll be going over hiring unethical individuals, the legal problems that come along with hiring unethical people, and losing money as a result of hiring people. So here are some examples that could result if an employer were to hire an unethical individual. First being theft, which could occur between the employees or employee and employer. There's also drug use. They may be disruptive in the workplace. They may come to work late or not at all, actually. They may underperform and not be able to work with others. When conducting an interview, there are still legal problems that are occurring that are unethical or illegal. And just in general, questions can only be asked in an interview when they directly relate to job performance. And that being said, candidates are still being asked illegal questions or unethical questions during interviews involving the following topics. So anything involving disabilities, asking how old the candidate is, how many children they have, or if they're married or not, any affiliations they're part of, so any groups, clubs, unions, their culture, criminal record, or their religion. And that's just a couple of them. There are more, but those are the most important that I listed. And a result of asking unethical questions would be the candidate not wanting to work for your company or taking legal action against your company. So it's important to relate questions directly to the job performance. So going off of the other two examples, companies are also losing money because they are hiring unethical employees. So hiring and firing high-risk employees definitely comes at a cost, especially to the employer. The turnover cost is very high, so that means it's very likely that a high-risk employee is either going to quit shortly after they get hired or they're going to get fired shortly after they're hired. And just a little fact, 20% of an employee's salary is spent when a high-risk individual needs replacement. So it not only results in firing an employee, it also results in a cost of the employer and the company in general. Then, to add on to this, I decided to add how to answer ethical interview questions. And while I was researching, a common question that employers asked was describe a situation and how you handled an ethical dilemma. So I just listed, think about situations where you faced ethical problems in the workplace. So did you see someone committing an illegal act or unethical act? Or did you do something unethical or even illegal? But just a little tip, don't include specifics, so don't include specific times, dates, or names, and end with how you solved the problem and how it turned out in a positive way. And just to end off this presentation, I decided to add on some questions to get you guys thinking about ethics, especially in job interviews. So first one being, have you ever faced an ethical dilemma in the workplace? And second one is, have you ever been asked unethical questions during an interview?